Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Stellar from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025. If you're holding Stellar XLM on Coinbase and want to move it to Exmo for trading or storage, this guide has got you covered. It's a simple process, but always handle your crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have active accounts on both Coinbase and Exmo and that your Stellar tokens are in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Head to the dashboard, where you'll see your list of assets. Locate Stellar XLM and click on it to access your wallet. Next, find the Send or Withdraw button within your Stellar wallet on Coinbase. This is where the magic happens. Before proceeding, switch over to Exmo. Log into your Exmo account, navigate to the deposit section, and select Stellar. Copy the wallet address provided. Double-check it to make sure it's correct, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in Coinbase, paste that Exmo wallet address into the Recipient, or To, field. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. Make sure you're using the Stellar network to avoid issues. Review all the details carefully, including the estimated fees and arrival time. Hit Confirm, and, if required, enter your two-factor authentication, 2FA, code for added security. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the Stellar network. Processing times can vary, but it usually takes just a few minutes. After that, keep an eye on your transaction status either through Coinbase or a blockchain explorer. Once it's complete, log back into Exmo and check your Stellar balance to confirm the funds have arrived. A quick tip for 2025. With evolving crypto regulations, always verify that both platforms support Stellar withdrawals and that you're compliant with any KYC requirements. And remember, never share your private keys or wallet details. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Stellar from Coinbase to Exmo. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and happy trading. See you in the next one.